sana all! Uy, uy, sana all!
Happy birthday, Sam! Napaka naman natin ang ating birthday celebrant! Ay, Sam, it's a surprise! Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give a big round of applause to our birthday celebrant, Sam! Napakaganda mo naman ngayong gabi. We're very happy for today, you know? 22 years of love, joy, and endless possibilities. And as you can see here, you are surrounded by your friends and family right now. Are you happy right now? Yes! Happy now! Ano masasabi mo? Ano naman masasabi mo sa kanila?
Sino nag-invite sa inyo?
Okay, para simulan natin ang gabi natin ngayon. Sino dito gusto ng cash prize? Yan yung gusto ko, palaban. Pero before that, everyone, can we raise our two hands? Taas muna natin ang dalawa nating kamay. Ayan. Taas natin ang dalawa nating kamay. Ayan. Iwagay-wagay natin. Ayan. At ipak ngayon sa taong nasa kaliwa ninyo. At sabihin nyo, ang ganda o gwapo mo ngayong gabi. At pakipatok naman yan sa taong nasa kanan nyo. At sabihin nyo, naligo ka ba ngayon? Aray ko, mukhang hindi ba naligo? Magbagong buhay na, bagong taon na. And of course, itapon nyo naman ang sarili nyo because we're very happy na nandito kayo. And we're very proud, syempre, na nandito kayo. Nandito si Zell, nakasama kayo, celebrating her 22 years of existence with all of you. Maraming salamat po for joining us here tonight.
Happy birthday, Sally. And everyone's wish, sana matupad lahat yon. You know, 22 beautiful years of your life. Everyone, kailangan masaya tayo kakanta. At sa lahat po ng mga may birthday kay Jaden, at sa ating queen, happy birthday din po sa inyo. And of course, ang ating birthday queen ngayon, happy birthday, Zoe. To you. Happy birthday to you. To you. Kailangan mas masaya. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, you may now take your wish.
And tonight we celebrate Miss Ellie. 22 beautiful years of love, joy, and hope. And endless possibilities. Happy birthday, Sally! Today, we honor a woman who brings joy, light, happiness to each and everybody. And tonight is a beautiful reminder how truly love ka ng mga taong narito. Ayan. You know, take your seat. Happy birthday!